In this video I'm going to show you how to soften edges of photos in Canva. So it is very easy. What we will do, create a new design, and after that we will select our design. So I will go for a square design, select the design, and after that we will add a photo into this design. So for this one I will search for a photo, go to elements, search for something like nature, then select photos. And as you can see, we have now a design over here. So what we will do, we will resize it a little bit towards our design. Once you have positioned the image, we will go to elements. Now what we will do, select a square. After that, drag the square to the corner and create a square over our design. The next step is to select this square, then click on color. And now we are going to add a gradient color. You can choose the preferred gradient color, then select it. Now once you have selected the gradient color, then you can select the settings icon over here on the color. Now what we will do, we will select a circular gradient. After that we can add new gradient colors to it by clicking on it. The first one we will make transparent. The second one we will make white. Third one we will make white. Fourth one white, and the fifth one also white. Now the next step is of course to make this also transparent, and as you can see we have now softened the edges of a photo in Canva. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.